I recently bought this NZBZ three-piece luggage set, and I have to say it exceeded all of my expectations. The very first thing I noticed when unboxing it was how elegant and classy it looks. The soft blue color and embossed design give it a luxury feel that makes it stand out from typical suitcases. It's the kind of luggage that makes you proud to travel with because it looks modern, stylish, and very well made. When it comes to quality, the material feels sturdy and long-lasting, yet surprisingly lightweight. This balance is important because I don't want my suitcase itself to add unnecessary weight, but at the same time, I need something strong enough to handle being checked in and tossed around at airports. The reinforced corners and durable zipper system add an extra layer of security and make me feel like this set is built to last. The telescopic handle is very smooth and easy to adjust to different heights. I like that it doesn't wobble or feel flimsy like some other luggage I've used in the past. The spinner wheels are one of my favorite features. They glide so easily and rotate in every direction. Even when the suitcase is fully packed, it rolls without resistance. Walking through the airport feels effortless, and I don't feel the strain of dragging heavy bags behind me. The inside of the suitcases is just as impressive as the outside. The compartments are thoughtfully designed with zippered dividers, semi-private sections, and even a leak-proof pocket for toiletries. This keeps everything organized, prevents spills from spreading, and helps me find things quickly without unpacking everything. The silky soft lining makes it feel very high-end, while still being functional and strong. Each size has plenty of room. The 20-inch is great for quick trips. The 24-inch works perfectly for longer weekends, and the 28-inch is a must-have for big vacations or family travel. Another feature I really appreciate is the TSA-approved lock. It's easy to set up and gives me peace of mind when I need to check my luggage. Knowing my belongings are safe but still accessible to airport security is a big plus. And when I'm not traveling, I love the nested storage design. All three suitcases fit neatly inside one another, which saves a lot of closet space at home. Overall, I think this set is a perfect balance of beauty, practicality, and durability. It's not just about how nice it looks, though it looks amazing. It's also about how comfortable and reliable it is to use. Traveling can sometimes be stressful, but having luggage like this really makes a difference. I feel organized, stylish, and confident that my belongings are safe. If you're considering this set, I absolutely recommend it. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just need something dependable for family vacations, this luggage set is worth every penny. It truly feels like luxury luggage at a fair price, and I couldn't be happier with my purchase.